Hello and welcome back. Today we'll show you how to assemble a cross-leg table. Have a look. Cross two table legs so that the grooves fit. Take the screw, supplied with the product, and screw it into the hole in the foot of the table. Turn the screw until it's hard. That's it. The table is now almost ready to use. Final step, put the glass on top of the frame. Finish assembling the table. Let's check the quality of this. Stable, no shaking. Place the ruler on top to make sure the checking is more accurate. Checking for deviations, mistake of the table. Perfect straight, no gap, non-alignment. That's it for today. See you soon.